Guys, I'd like to welcome you back. Hey, for you guys that's been giving me a lot of love and support, I really appreciate it. I put in a lot of hard work, and the work will get harder in the creative content I do, so I appreciate the love, and I got something for you. We got the Rossi out here, 22 LR. Now, this Rossi, let me tell you something, it's not a highly expensive 22 LR. It's made by a very good company, which is Rossi. 18-inch barrel, approximately 4.1 pounds in weight. The furniture on it is synthetic, but it's matte black. And let me tell you something. This Rossi here come with adjustable front sights with fiber optic, front and back. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Let me tell you something. This is a nice 22 LR right here. When I seen it, I had to get it. I mean, a lot of you guys, you sleep on 22s, and let me tell you something. For those of you that really know about a 22, they used to call them the assassin gun, okay? It's one round that I don't want to get hit by no rounds. But if I had to choose the round not to get hit with, it would be a 22. You do not want to get hit with a 22, because I mean, that bullet would just bounce around in you like a pinball machine. This right here, with this 18-inch barrel on here, the furniture is lovely, and the firearm is clear. Don't even have a mag in it. And it comes with a 10-round magazine, which is lovely. It's a Semi Auto. Oh, wow. Give me a second, guys. We're gonna load it up and we're gonna see how it shoot. So look, I hope you guys can see I got some water bottles set up in this chair right here. And also I got my plate. So we're gonna see. Like I said, we about 50 yards away. I just want to check the accuracy on it. I want to see if I can shoot 50 yards with it accurately, I can go 200 yards. So let's see what it does. All right, guys, got it loaded up. And another thing, this Rossi, with these front sights back and front, I mean, the way these sights are positioned, I mean, the sights on here can have you all day with an accurate shot. It's almost as if you can't miss with this. Now, you can do a lot of plinkering with it. I haven't took it out to hunt yet, but trust me, I will. I'm just waiting on it. Oh, I will. I will be taking her out. But I got some targets about 50 yards away. So what I want to do is I'm going to set you guys up down there by this target, and I want to show you the accuracy of this 22 LR here. And I also got a nice stand out here too. So I got a nice tripod out here. So let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. All right, let's see. All right. Well, look, she on target. I got a slight little adjustments I got to make on that back sight. But, hey, as you can see, well, maybe you're not. She was leaking real nice. Don't have them water bottles leaking real nice over there. Give me a minute.
Take no chances.
All right, guys. So, listen, I had the camera set up down there by my targets, and I finally did some adjustments on it. So now, let's see can we hit that plate down there. And then those of you that don't know, that just tuned in, I'm shooting a Rossi 18-inch barrel, 22 LR. The furniture on it is synthetic and matte black. Very beautiful, nice 22 LR. I mean, you can do everything from plinkering, you can do anything from hunting with it. I mean, it's an all-around weapon, all around. Can y'all see me? How I look? So guys, listen, if you want to shoot, it would help to put a clip in. She's empty. To let you know I practice safety first, but I'm also ready to shoot. In, chambered, and she's hot and ready to go.
Want to be on the video, sir? Want to be on the video?
Well, guys, as you can see, I'm gonna have to do some more adjustments on it. Don't get me wrong, she's a very accurate pistol. I'm sorry, very accurate rifle. The back sights are adjustable. Give me a minute, let me do some adjustment. Yeah, close but not close enough. Well, guys, look, this is the 22 LR Rossi. 18-inch barrel. This comes with a 10-round magazine. Very lightweight. You will have no problem with carrying this in the woods. You will have no problem with just carrying it anywhere. It's a nice pack gun. It definitely is something that I will put on my bug out list. So for you guys that into all that, this is the gun for you. This is the rifle for you right here, the 22 LR. So guys, like I said, I appreciate the love that y'all been giving me. Subscribe and like. Let's keep this channel going and flowing. That way I can come out here and do more videos for you guys and make it more exciting, because you know how I get. You know how I got when I got something good in my hands. And like I said, on Double Tap Unseen, if it's not reliable, it's not in my hands. Y'all have a good one.